Okay, looking at measures of central tendency. Well, this is a review from 6th grade, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time teaching this stuff because it's assumed that you already know how to calculate these things.
Yes, of course.
So, central tendency is mean, median, mode, and range. A mean is also called an average, like your grade. You take up all of the scores that you got and you add them and divide by how many assignments that you have gotten. So, for these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 assignments, if these are your scores, then you got a 10 on that, a 15, a 5, a 30, and a 40. Then your average score is going to be a 20%. You probably are not passing whatever class that is. Median is the middle number when numbers are in order from least to greatest. You must put numbers in order to find the median. If there are two numbers in the middle, then you need to find their average. So I gave you a set of 4 numbers, and then I put them in order: 53, 64, 72, and 87. There are 2 numbers in the middle, so you need to find out what is halfway between 64 and 72. You add 64 and 72, then divide by 2. 136 divided by 2 is 68. 68 is in between 64 and 72. You must put the numbers in order. For a mode, it's the number that it repeats itself the most. So in this data set, I've got 3, 7, 8, 7, 3, 3, 6, 12, 7, 4, 7. The number that you see the most is 7.
7.
The range is a difference between the greatest and the least values. I've got 2, 3, 16, 1, -1, -3, 15, and 12. My greatest value is 16. My least value is -3.
13.
No. If I'm subtracting, I take the biggest number and I subtract the smallest number. 16 minus -3 becomes plus. Whoops, I just put a hole in my paper. 16 plus 3 is 19. So that is the range of that data set. Now, looking at your project, you have a samples and surveys project. This is due November 22nd. It's Friday. And it's designed to be quick and easy. We'll be working on it in class until then. Your name, date, and period. Here's the date. So your name and period need to be up here. If I check your test or check your questions and they don't have those things, I'm taking 10 points off immediately. For this project, you will be choosing a topic and creating a survey to collect data. Using your collected data, you will create a graph, bar, line, circle, histogram, etc. Your topic needs to be approved by me, and you must turn in this page, so please don't lose it. First, create a multiple choice survey question. What's a survey question? What are some examples? I need a hand. Yes. Okay, what kind of questions are asked in surveys? Yes.
There are voices that are found by votes.
Okay, I need an example. What kind of choices are people looking for?
What's your favorite food?
Favorite kind of ice cream is one. What's another one? Pardon? Okay, I need 4 of them though. And those are all what? Fast food restaurants. What's more? I need some other examples. Yes. Types of what? Pizza.
Your console? The type of console you have?
What kind of console? Like a
Yeah,
game,
the
video
console
game?
like the type of video game console that you have. Which company made that console?
Do not take this opportunity to start talking.
Microsoft?
Do not take this opportunity to start talking. Thank you for the second time, since you didn't hear it the first.
Whoops.
What are some other things that people are asked about and for their preferences?
I know they're born.
They can't prefer when they're born. You can't choose the day that you're born. Think of choices that you can make. Yes.
Hairstyle of phone.
Your favorite kind of phone.
Your favorite TV show?
TV show. Two more.
Your favorite app?
Wait until you are called on. Huh? Fruit. One more. Yes. All right, color. Very simple. Okay, these are ideas. If you have some that you think are better, use them for your survey. So, you are going to survey 25 people. You're going to fill out the back of this sheet. So you're going to go to Johnny and say, Johnny, what is your favorite color? Blue, black, pink, or purple? Johnny's going to say A, blue. Then he's going to sign his name here. Brittany, what's your favorite color? Blue, black, pink, or purple? Brittany's going to say pink and sign her name here. So 25 people are going to do that. Then you will find measures of central tendency from the data. Excuse me. So for example, if you have blue, black, pink, or purple. 7 people chose blue. 8 people chose black. 5 chose pink. 5 chose purple. I'm going to average out these numbers. Okay, I'm going to find the median, I'm going to find the mode, and I'm going to find the range. Okay?
Oh my god.
Then I'm going to make a graph. In my graph, it's going to be on white copier paper, construction paper, or mini poster board. No lines, so no regular notebook paper. The graphs must have a title, they must have labeled axes, and they must be on equal increments. So this is how you skip count. 2, 4, 6, 8, whatever. They must be colorful. They must include a key. And they need to be neat. Step 5, state 1 fact and 1 opinion. I want you to use percentages. For example, 20% chose blue. That's not accurate. It's technically 35 or 28%, but this is what I want to hear when I hear a fact, or what I want to see when I read your facts. Down here where it says 30 people surveyed, scratch that out, make it 25. So, if you are working with a partner, you may only have one partner. You both must ask the same survey question. You're both making one graph. So, you need to have the same data. You and your partner must survey the same people as well. Somebody can do 12 people, somebody can do 13 people. 12 plus 13 is 25. In class or another class, if you would like to ask another classmate or another friend without disturbing them, you may do so. You need 25. Some examples that we thought of earlier, instead of saying your favorite food, go into detail. What's your favorite kind of taco? We mentioned pizza. What's your favorite kind of drink? Before you get your question approved, you need to have them written in 2 places, on the front and the back. Where is that? Right here as step 1. And then on the back where it says question. You also need your 4 answers written here. Your name, day, period should be on your paper already. So when I check those, if I don't see them, guess what?
10 points.
Minus 10.
21.
Questions?
Is it okay if I can try to video games?
You also can work by yourself.